You can expect a lot from the 2020 BMW X5. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, and one-touch window functionality. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a 20-gigabyte hard drive, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you